Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to take this opportunity to introduce you to the farm. Yes, these are two pigs. They are making 5 months tomorrow. Yes, as you can see, they are so healthy. Yes, this is the beginning. We start small, but we think big, as you know. Yes, I think you can see they use automatic water system, that is the nipple, connected to the drum. As you can look, they are feeding right now. You know, we come very early in the morning, we feed them. As you can see, they are feeding, they look healthy. My. We are expecting a lot from this. We are using IMO system. As you can see the ground, they are very clean. You may wonder how our pigs are so clean. You cannot feel anything like a smell here. Oh my goodness. The place is just wow. The place is just wow. You can subscribe to the channel. Those who have not yet subscribed. You see. This is the madam. Yes, that is the madam. I'm planning, in case we grow this farm bigger, will be the farm manager, because I've trained a lot. He knows everything regarding pigs, piglets, and systems, as you know, can do better with the feeding. As you can see, the pigs are looking so nice. Oh my God, you wonder. Thank you so much.